Now, the Magnificent Seven had a great 2023, and most of the stocks have performed pretty good in 2024. The lagger has been Tesla, which is down for the year. It even got to the point that Jim Cramer threw out Tesla from the Magnificent Seven and called it a Magnificent Six. But the question is, can Palantir move into that seventh spot or eighth spot and call it either the Magnificent Seven or the Magnificent Eight? Now, it all began back in early 2023 when price bottomed. It rallied in price base and then it had a rally out, taking out that $10 level of support, resistance, and then it gave investors several other opportunities when it rallied out, creating a monthly buy level at $14, pulled back and kind of hung out. This was a huge zone, so it took some time for the smart money to load up, and then it rallied higher. Again, this was a support resistance band at 20, and then it rallied up. So you see a theme here taking place. So the question is, can Palantir over time turn into a $1 trillion company and join the ranks of the Magnificent 7/8? Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. So we are in an AI boom or perhaps an AI bubble, maybe a bit of both. Analysts are predicting the world will spend hundreds of billions on AI tools in a few years, maybe even $1 trillion or more, if you believe the most optimistic analysts. One stock considered as an AI winner is Palantir, software analytics provider for the U.S. military. Its allies and commercial customers have seen its stock soar 300% since the beginning of 2023. Now, it's one of the largest technology growth stocks to go public in the last few years. Many are even calling it the next Magnificent Seven stock, ready to reach a market cap of $1 trillion. Now, Palantir aims to be the software and AI crystal ball for the U.S. military and its allies. Its software programs give insights for divisions of the military from mundane back office tasks to the actual battlefield. Now, Palantir has taken the next step with its software with Palantir AIP, a new suite of AI tools that leverage the breakthroughs we have seen in large language models. Now, the founder said that the entire Palantir organization is focused on AI development and that the new products are already leading to momentum in revenue and customer wins. Investors should expect this to show up on the income statement over the next few years and beyond. So what this is getting at is that for many, many years, the largest customer was the U.S. government. However, they are now branching out and trying to service the customer industry. So large enterprises ranging from Merck to Morgan Stanley are customers of Palantir. These companies have huge budgets with more and more going to Palantir each year. Now, investors shouldn't be asking whether Palantir will be the next Magnificent Seven stock. They should be asking whether Palantir can still provide solid returns to investors after running up 300% since the beginning of 2023. At the market cap of $55 billion with just $2.2 billion in revenue and minimum profits, the growth expectations for Palantir are high, quite high, but perhaps it will surpass them. All right, so again, it's roughly $55 billion market cap. Has quite a ways to go before even considering that $1 trillion market cap. And as you can see, for the month of March, we have a basing candle, so an indecision candle, meaning we don't know which way price wants to go next. As you can see, price did run into some resistance here at the $26 level. Let's take it down to the weekly chart, and what you can see is that price is making higher highs and higher lows. You have your moving averages pointing upwards and to the right. And so I believe price is just pausing, gathering steam, allowing the moving averages to catch up, before the potential next leg higher. Now, yes, could price sell off? Absolutely, just like it did in these two instances. And if you take that as a measured move, you're talking about roughly say a $4 move, which would put price at roughly $22, which would be even with this last pivot high before potentially price moves higher. I do have a target at $30. And again, if we zoom out to the monthly chart, that's not even at all-time highs. So this is just the next target. All-time highs would be roughly $45. Will we get there again? For sure. When? Not sure. Nevertheless, if you like Palantir, I think it is a company you can buy for the longer term. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.